AI Business Brief for August 26, 2026. OpenAI shipped its Jalapeno inference chip with 1.51x better performance per watt than NVIDIA's Blackwell, cutting response times for agents and high-volume inference. Anthropic unified Claude's memory across chat and cowork, ending the need to rebrief the AI every time you switch tasks. Gamma acquired design startup Lika to build a research lab focused on next-generation presentation formats. Here's the full breakdown of today's top AI stories for your business. Next section, lead story. OpenAI announced benchmark results for Jalapeno, its first custom AI inference chip built with Broadcom. Tested on Inference X using models like GPT, OS120B, DeepSeek R1, and Kimi K2. 5. Jalapeno delivered 1.51.9 times more throughput per kilowatt and 1.73.6 times lower latency than NVIDIA's GB200/GB300 systems. For interactive workloads like agents, it hit 2.14.1 times higher performance. This matters because inference costs are what make or break AI products at scale. Faster, cheaper inference means more responsive agents, lower API bills, and AI tools that don't drain budgets as usage climbs. Jalapeno deploys in small volumes by year-end, ramping in 2027. OpenAI says it will keep using NVIDIA alongside its own chips. Routing workloads to whichever system offers the best performance per dollar for each task. If you're building on OpenAI's API or running agents that need fast, multi-step reasoning, this could mean lower costs and faster responses by next year. Read more. Next section, tools and launches. Claude Memory unified Anthropic. Anthropic merged Claude's memory system across chat and cowork. Now, when you move from research to action, Claude remembers project context, team details, and preferences without rebriefing. You can view, edit, or delete stored memories. Sensitive topics, health, politics, SSN, are excluded by default unless you opt in. Free, Pro, and Max plans on web, desktop, iOS, and Android. Read more. Admin plugin for ChatGPT work and codecs. OpenAI launched an admin plugin that lets workspace admins review activity, manage permissions, adjust usage limits, and approve spending requests directly in chat. It routes high-volume requests to Slack or Teams for approval and automates recurring checks. Admins stay within their existing roles. The plugin doesn't grant broader access. If you run a growing workspace, this cuts down on switching between dashboards and spreadsheets. Read more. Gamma acquires Lika presentation tool. Gamma acquired Excel-backed design startup Lika to launch a research lab focused on multimodal communication. Lika's co-founders will lead R&D on customizing AI output for different audiences and formats. Gamma already has 100 million plus users. This acquisition aims to expand beyond static slides into interactive, video-heavy, and brand-customized presentations. If you use Gamma for client decks or marketing content, expect new formats and customization options soon. Read more. Next section, Business Playbook. Travel company turns non-engineers into builders. Love Holidays. Online travel agent Love Holidays used Codex to let product managers, designers, and commercial teams contribute directly to code bases. They built Search Playground, a prototyping environment using the company's design system and Codex, where non-engineers created 10+ new customer experiences. 3 are now live on the site, including Inspire Me and a marketing microsite for a competition. AI-assisted code changes grew from 7% to 79% in a year, and deployment frequency jumped 73% without adding engineers. Data platform change success climbed to 93%, up from 58%, with 4 times more changes per support request. This shows how Codex can break the engineering bottleneck. Instead of waiting for a dev team to prototype every idea, business teams can test and iterate themselves. If you're in a startup or SMB, small and medium business, where engineering time is scarce, this is a blueprint for scaling output without scaling headcount. Read more. Next section, Pricing and Access Watch. Google Drive vs. Dropbox Alternatives. Zapier published a 2026 comparison of Dropbox alternatives. Google Drive starts free with 15 gigabytes, offers AI-powered search via Gemini for workspace users, and integrates tightly with Chrome. OneDrive bundles with Microsoft 365. Proton Drive offers end-to-end encryption. JotaCloud provides unlimited photo storage. Pricing varies. Check the guide if you're reevaluating cloud storage costs or consolidating tools. Read more. Next section, Industry Moves. Keenable raises $26 to index the web for AI agents. Keenable, founded by former Yandex search lead Andrew Steiskin, raised $26 from Excel to build a 100 billion document search index optimized for AI agents, not humans. It's already used in production by AI labs and inference providers. The startup says Google and Microsoft are shutting down search APIs to avoid cannibalization, leaving AI companies with few options. Costs are painfully expensive, but Keenable is pacing itself with a 15-person engineering team. If you're building agents that need live web data, this is an alternative to Google or Brave. Read more. Stability AI raises $76 M from Universal, Sony, Warner, EA. Stability AI, maker of Stable Diffusion, raised $76 M from entertainment giants, Universal Music, Sony Music, Warner Music, plus AMD Ventures. Total funding, $232 M. The money goes toward creative production tools and professional services. This is less a venture round and more a content licensing and distribution play. Stability struck co-development deals with these companies in 2024 to 2025 and mostly won a UK copyright lawsuit from Getty, US case ongoing. If you're in music, video, or game production, expect Stability's tools to show up in your creative workflows soon. Read more. Robotic startup Generalist hits $3 B valuation. Generalist, a robotics AI startup, raised $200 M from 8 VC at a $3 B valuation, bringing its Series B total to $600 M. Founded by ex-Google DeepMind and Boston Dynamics engineers, Generalist builds an AI foundation model that lets robots learn new tasks from 312-second video demos. It's working with a handful of customers to tailor the model for specific use cases. Competitors include Physical Intelligence, $11 B valuation, and Skilled AI, $14 B. VCs are betting on a ChatGPT moment for robotics, but some warn a truly general robotics model may still be years away. Read more. Next section, quick wins. Use AI mode in Google search to visualize furniture in your room. Upload a photo of your space, ask what kind of couch would fit, then prompt for mockup. Show me an emerald green velvet sofa in this spot. This works for large furniture purchases where fit and style are hard to judge from product photos. Read more. Set up Circle to search on Pixel or Samsung Galaxy S26 to shop decor from social feeds. Spot a product in a video or post, long press the home button, circle the item, and get links to buy it. No app switching. Works for trending items like fish wallpaper or floating shelves. Read more. Next section, Outlook. This week showed AI infrastructure moving from hype to measured results. OpenAI's Jalapeno benchmarks prove custom chips can beat NVIDIA on specific workloads, setting up a multi-vendor future where companies route tasks to the cheapest, fastest option. Anthropic's memory unification and OpenAI's admin plugin are both examples of AI tools maturing into enterprise workflows. And the steady drumbeat of robotics funding, Generalist, Physical Intelligence, Skilled, suggests investors believe physical AI is next, even if the tech isn't there yet. Watch for more AI labs to announce custom silicon, more enterprise features and chat tools, and more robotics demos that overpromise and underdeliver. That concludes today's AI Business Brief. From Carolina Clear Tech. Stay smart, stay ahead.